I will be showing you my new invention, the bow and arrow. This is the bow, this is the arrow. For just reference, I'm gonna just show you just pag ganito lang. So, papasok mong ganun, tapos boom! Para sa reference, malakas yun. Ulitin natin. Pero hanapin muna natin guys ang aking bag. Wala, pero malakas yan talaga. Malakas yan talaga, guys. Malakas yan at narinig nyo naman na ang pag-ano ng aparador. So, goodbye, guys.